I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Make sure the Chromebook has power and you can sign in as an admin because some fixes require permissions. First, reboot your router and modem and confirm other devices connect. This rules out ISP or router faults. Once done, turn Wi-Fi off, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it. Next, forget the problematic SSID and reconnect with the correct password. These immediate steps reset the wireless handshake and often clear transient issues. After reconnecting, disable any VPN, proxy, or network extensions because they can block DHCP or DNS. Next, open Settings, go to Network Wi-Fi the Network Advanced, and disable MAC randomization to ensure the router recognizes the device. Run the Diagnostics app and accept recommended fixes for DNS or signal problems. Also check for Chrome OS updates and install them. Updates often include network driver fixes. These steps reset software. If the issue persists, back up your files and perform a power wash from Settings Advanced Reset to restore factory network settings. This removes corrupted configs. If power wash doesn't help, create a USB recovery drive with Chromebook Recovery Utility and reinstall Chrome OS to replace a damaged network stack. Finally, make sure to test a different Wi-Fi network or hotspot. If other networks work, inspect your router's DHCP and firmware. If nothing changes, contact hardware support. There may be a faulty Wi-Fi card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.